Okay, we are in business. Welcome to another video, another stream here. We're going to be finishing up the Great Wave painting set today. We've got just the frame to go, which I think will go pretty quick. And then we're going to be taking a look at updating our Lego bonsai. It's getting well into summer here in North America, and I meant to do this in the spring, and I kind of forgot. But it's it's like just the very beginning of summer right now, so we're gonna let our cherry blossom bloom a little late here. I was thinking about it the other day because of there's still a lot of pieces in here. I was thinking about it the other day because all of these beautiful pinks and whites in here. I mean, this is more of a peach. I think the cherry blossom is more of an actual pink. But regardless, it got me thinking about it, and I would like to revisit that. We never built that final bag when we built the bonsai, so let's just see here where we were. Yep, ready to rock out a frame here. So yeah, this is going to be a lot of this kind of stuff. So let's see. All right, this is the unnumbered pieces. We got 12. So many bags of 12. Okay, and then we've got, let me see here, I need to get organized here. My bonsai can go over here. Let me get this to where I can see it. Ruby. Now, get these little pieces out onto a tray here. And we'll just go bag by bag here. This is going to go incredibly fast. It's just connecting a bunch of Technic frames here. To really linger on this. Not particularly going to be interesting part of the build. Okay, so we're going to total 8 of these in a row here. So yeah, my Memorial Day weekend from hell is over. Every other manager took off the entire weekend, so I worked an ungodly amount of holiday weekend hours, but made it through the other side, and we got some new guys going at the shop, which is pretty great. I'm excited about some fresh faces and getting our staff built up for the summer and everything, so pretty chill. Lot to be enthusiastic about on the work front. Alright, that is 8, and then we're going down like so. This is going to be a huge set once it's done with all these frame pieces. Right on there. Okay, there we go. Set this aside somewhere over here. spoiler alert, more frame pieces, more Technic pins. And then yeah, this upcoming week I've got a few things to be excited about. We're playing, my band is playing a show on Sunday that I'm really stoked about. Really awesome tour package, and the other local band is really sick too. We haven't gotten a chance to play with them yet, and they're really awesome dudes. They've been around the scene for a long time, making awesome music, so definitely going to be cool. And then a few days later, on Thursday, we're going to be in Omaha for a show, which I don't know as much about the bands that we're playing with, but we always have a good time in Omaha, so that's going to be dope. And I don't have to drive for once, which I'm pretty excited about. My turn to be a passenger, which will be great. Does mean that I'll have less control over my restaurant destiny. So when I drive us to shows in Omaha, I'm always just like, guess where we're going? That is the price. That's the price they pay for having me drive. But Omaha has a lot of good restaurants. I'm sure there'll be something cool nearby to the venue. Okay. Alright, there we go. 2 of these, as the instructions have commanded. And now what? Do we connect these to this other one that we have those extra pins in? Yep. So we're gonna go like so, and like so. Okay, so you start to get a sense of the scale of the final frame here. Quite large. It's gonna look really nice. It's gonna look really nice on a wall here. And this one, I don't know. I still haven't hung the Starry Night because you absolutely need a stud for that one. Like, have to have it. It's super heavy and it only has 1 point of connection. This set has 2 points of connection, so I feel like you could probably just hang it kind of wherever. But we'll see. Usually with the Starry Night set, it had like instructions at the end of the set, like here's what you got to do if you want to actually put this on a wall. I'm assuming this will have the same, and it'll have all the weight requirements and everything like that. Just kind of blast in here. I should. Nope. Okay. I was gonna say I should look at the instructions and see if there's any curveballs that I'm not anticipating, because I was kind of just free building there, but no, it's pretty much exactly what we think. Nice little symmetrical picture frame here. Okay, last one. There we go. Oops. Okay, and then this one is going to get these Pins on the side. And into the other side here. Boom. Presto. There we go. This thing's huge. And connect it up. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and now bust out our unnumbered bag here, and we're going to start laying down this wood color here. Let's see. I'm going to go too deep. Sorry, that's not really on camera here. There we go. Get a little bit better sense. I mean, it's not like this is exactly a high-end building technique. I think you could probably infer what's going to happen with these, but nonetheless, we'll try to keep stuff on camera as best we can. So all these extra points of connection are going to go a really long way in order to making everything more stable and firm here. Just where these tiles meet, there's going to be a little bit of looseness still, but I bet we're going to do something about that shortly, would be my guess. Modern Lego design is incredibly good about building for, yeah, here we go. See, this is incredibly good about building for stability and making sure if you drop something, it's not just going to instantaneously collapse on you. And then after I lay all these down, I'm going to go back around and make sure that I've depressed all of the studs evenly, because we don't want to be having unnecessary strain on the pieces. Okay. Flip the page yet, but I'm just going to go ahead and assume that this is going to be symmetrical here. Don't see why it wouldn't be. Okay. Maybe on the underside it's going to have some of these arranged in like a different pattern so that it crosses these at the point where there's these points of connection here. Alright, yep, that is the end of bag number 12 is exactly what I just already did, so I'm just going around here and making sure that everything's firmly in place. No errant ends of planks sticking up or anything like that. Okay, I think we're good. Maybe check these real quick. Yeah, should be all right. Okay, so 14, we've got a full 3 compartments for. So let's see, we can open this stuff up onto a little tray here. Interesting. And our extra pieces as well. So get my big aspect ratio tray here. Okay. This has us the pieces to get started here. Okay, so we're going to flip to the bottom. Or the, I guess, underside or backside, I should say, is more accurate than bottom. Okay. Looks like these two bags are the same thing, more or less. So it's probably going to be each half is okay, let's see here. So these, it's going to be okay. Spacer onto the T-pin. T-pin in, but not all the way compressed. That's what we're doing with these. And then these are going to go places here. Two more. Some of these are kind of distressed. All these T-pins look like kind of worn down. A little surprising. I mean, they're going to be totally buried, so it's not like it really matters, but it is kind of out of against the norm of Lego's level of QA. Oops. Okay. Alright, so what is up next? Because I still am not sure what we're doing with these. I mean, I don't know how these are gonna... I guess if you drop the picture down into the frame and then compress these, that's probably... it's gonna be something like that. Alright, so yeah, so like I suspected, there's gonna be a crossbar here that's... yeah, this is overlapping the structures on the top side and making it giving it a little bit of redundancy to the bracers here. So Clip it on down to the other end here, it looks like, which is opening the other bag, so it doesn't have you doing it in exactly mirrored fashion. I still think it's going to end up being that it's, you know, basically half and half or whatever, but you're going to build slightly out of order here. That'll be fine. So more of these guys. Almost 3/4 of the way through with these assemblies here. You know I'm going to be finicky about how I have these oriented relative to each other too. Oops. Gotta get them situated properly. Because that's just the kind of nerd I am. Okay. I was wrong. We're not 3/4 of the way done with these. There must be some in the middle too. Because there's definitely still stuff left over here. Oops. Not yet, good sir. Okay, now, I mean, again, I didn't even look at the instructions, but this is all mirrored, it has to be. Yep. That's the end of the unnumbered piece bag. Solid. Now what? Some of these in the middle? Yep. So now we'll finish up with these guys. Let's just connect up all the rest of these. Probably more efficient to do it this way. Where's the rest of my pins? Oh my gosh. I'm dropping stuff with both hands. At least I'm equally clumsy here. Ambidextrous in my clumsiness. Let's see here now. These are gonna go here. And then, yeah, there we go. Okay, so these get a nice little brace in the middle too. That's good. So if this does rip out of my wall, it might not explode into a trillion pieces, just like, you know. I don't think those birds and stuff like that would survive the fall, but the frame might. All right, and now we lock in the interior ones. Okay, they are locked in. What's up next? Ooh, oh, interesting. Go around middle. Is it always middle? Yeah. Okay. But not the two end ones. And then down the sides. Well, this doesn't have, oh, not on the middle. 3 deep. Then middle. 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 And then on this other side, 3 deep. Middle. 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 Okay. And then we're going to do 1x1 block on a 3x3 tile in the corners here so that they're sticking out like that. Okay. Right, and then I spun a bunch of these around. All right. The 4 right here. That's weird, but okay. This is so weird. Okay. Sorry, I tried to do this on camera, but it's kind of hard to get them to line up. And take the studs completely. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then all the rest of the way around here. That same third one is around here. Let's get that side, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then our last 4, 1. Oops. 2, 3, 4, sorry, 5, the middle one. Okay. Now, well, that looks cool. Yep, same thing with these. Get the corners in place and then press the plates along the back. And we will be on to the next step here. there. That's an extra piece. Oops. Bumping my microphone. This thing is just so big. Okay. All right, so there we go. Frame step 2. And bag 14. Big bad bag 14, it's time. Let's see here. 2 parts, at least. 3 parts. 2 more bags for step 15. Okay. So let's see here. What are we starting with? Starting with some blocks. Again, the larger bags are roughly the same contents. So okay, so we're just gonna basically take, this is so awkward because of the size. Alright, we got these 1x4s are just going to go into here, building up the outside of the frame, basically the top and bottom, cloaking all of these black frame pieces. If viewed from the side or top or bottom. Actually, let's have us going down one more here. Yeah, this classic like sand color is like really nice. Okay, and then a couple of spots with the 8x1s at the end here because we skipped the, yeah, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all she wrote because we did the 2 middle ones. Just opened up and just pull one out here. That last spot. And then see, are we going to go do the other side right now, or are we going to start? No, we're going to go into some of this action. Okay. Third bag here. Gonna have L piece right here. 2x1s on either side of that. And a bunch of long ones. 2, 3, here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get our L built up down here. Okay. And we can just go meet in the middle here. I don't need a free trial, thank you. Appreciate the thought. Okay. There we go, and then our 4 down the side on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the cinematic's hitting me with a lot of Christmas music here. Let's move past the Christmas vibes. Alright, and then now we're going to do this stuff on the other side here, so we are going to have to improvise here. Oh no, Pearl! So these white panels. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Last one. Go. Okay. So now, oh, I covered up all my little pieces here. That wasn't very smart. Let's just start grabbing all the tan pieces out of here. They're all getting used right now, basically, so we'll find the little ones by default as if we hunt by color. There we go. That might have been all of them. Oh, I see one more. Oh yeah. Okay, there we go. So now we might have the rest right here. Trying to do 2 things at once, so much less efficient. So bad at multitasking. Everything goes so much smoother if I just concentrate. Okay, there we go. So let's see here. We got those. We get those. All right, now we can start laying in some of these beautiful tiles here. Got our These look nice. These look nice. Nope, that was a mistake. Easy to correct though. This goes here. Okay. And we got let's see. Are these going to be 3? Yeah, the 3s are half of the 6. Okay. I got 2 here. Baby, and then dropping 4 plates down each side. Tiles, rather. Yep. Just keep right on going. That makes sense. At this point, I can basically just start grabbing a piece, and wherever it goes, I can just pop it in. Why isn't that wanting to go? I think I just wasn't applying pressure evenly, maybe. Home stretch. Okay, very nice. That completes bag 14. Just one more to go here. Wrap up all these corners and edges. And yeah, pop this guy into its frame here, and we'll see our final result here. All right. Bag 15. 2 parts. 2x1s right here. These long tiles. Two, three, four on each side here. Feel like I could practically build this part without instructions. I think I see where they're going, but go to the other side. Yes. Okay, so we're just gonna carry on this tile as a spacer. Oops. Down to the other side here. Find our other 2x1s in here. There's one. One more. Where are ya? Gosh. There we go. We found it. Hooray. Because, yeah, now we're just going to go around the outside with the bricks and then go with the tiles on top. And that's going to be that. But where do all of the bricks go? Because there is a bunch of different sizes here. So, rather than trying to trial and error our way through it, we'll just follow the instructions. It's not very adventurous of me, I know, but okay. Let's see what it says here. L blocks in the corners. Yep, that tracks. Bracketing either side of those. Okay. And then 4x1s go right here. And then it's all long, boys. Now that we've seen one side of the instructions, we can just go all the way around here. I'm confident. Then we'll take a look at how our tiling pattern goes. And we'll be done. Onward and upward. My 1x1s here. Come on, don't be shy. There you are. go. Go the rest of the way around. Okay, so we've got 2x2 in the corner. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. Another 2x2. See. Okay, I have a suspicion that I know what we're gonna do here. I bet it's gonna be a 2, a 4, and then a 2. But we'll go in order just in case I'm mistaken. Time with every piece to make sure they're properly situated. Cool. And yep, that's exactly what I thought. 2 by 1, 4 by 2, 2 by 1. Okay. Oh, very exciting. Right at the end here. Last piece. There we go. Okay, so here we have it. Our frame complete. That'll be for the thumbnail, for the video. Okay, and then now, so we're going to drop this into place and then use these pins to lock it, basically. And I think this thing is symmetrical, so it really doesn't matter how we do this here. Yeah, press down in the corners. Sure. Let's see, does this have any hanging instructions? Not really. Just a picture of it on a wall. Like, yep. In a room that is very picturesque to the color palette of it. We're not going to probably have quite that level of control. But It's still gonna look nice here. Okay, so let's see. So everywhere that there's so 4 in the corner, 2 in the middle, there's studs to press. Pretty easy. Get it to drop into place here. Yeah, it's heavy enough that its weight pretty much lets it slot right in. Okay, and then we'll just going through and clicking all these down. And there. Presto. We have the Great Wave. Looks great. Let's just admire it here. Yeah. Pretty sweet looking. I'm gonna have to, I don't know where my canned air is. Oh, here it is. Let's see if the canned air is gonna knock off any of our birds here. Get my cat hair off of here. Groovy. So yeah, pretty solid here. Yeah, this is a $100 set. We got this with a $20 rebate through Honey, so $80 on it in total. The special Honey rebates don't take as long to claim as they're just like normal cash back. So that's already came through. I mean, I've long since deposited that back into my bank account, so it's pretty nice. Yeah, definitely solid. If you can pick this up on sale, I think it's a really great set for the price. I think it just looks great. You know, it's obviously, you know, some parts of the build are a little repetitive, so it really is to whether or not if its display is going to be to your taste or not. If you think this will look cool on a wall somewhere in your house, definitely worth it. Just for the build, not so much. So I am curious to see if sets like this how well they'll hold their value over the years. I feel like it's mostly like your Star Wars and your like branded sets and stuff like that tend to be a little more you know, valuable over time. Yeah, so let's see, we're gonna go ahead and kill the YouTube video here, and then I'm probably gonna take a short break, go to the bathroom, get myself something to drink, and we'll continue the stream. So if you're watching on YouTube, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!